about you guys today. Just I bring a new video for you. I bring interesting one for you, just to show you how Chinese practice shadow boxing. But today I walk around and then I found some Chinese training. It's like shadow box, what you call Taijiquan in Chinese. And then I tried to join them, to practice this game. But I joined them without talk to them. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos and then see what happens. 我也要学，怎么办？我也要学太极拳吗？我也要学太极拳。
那个那不是，他应用里头吧，应用里头。我不晓得你要不要。
几个呢？Every time these old Chinese, they walk around here like shadow boxing in Chinese, what you call Taijiquan is shadow boxing. So I try to talk to them. I also want to play Taijiquan or shadow box, but I think I'm ready. I'm coming ready because they said that they are finished to play. So, but I try to ask them if they play this game or they play practice every time, every morning. So they say that it's not every morning, but they try 3 times or 4 times per week. So, but I also wanna ask them if I have a time, I can come here and join them, because I also want to study or want to know what about shadow box or what about Taijiquan. Okay. Yeah, just I think master or shifu or master. Yeah, I can say this master or shifu. They are busy now. They're talking with some trainers, so I have to wait, and then I ask him what they plan, how they play, if I can join them to study and play shadow box or Taijiquan. Depends on what you say. Depends on how you learn this. But all the same, can I say shadow box or Taijiquan? So. Yeah, okay, I have to wait. Passion through wait passion through, and then ask them. But I want to join this team, because I think only I shown this video. I think this must they have skills to training those shadow box or Taijiquan. So I want to join this team. So wait, stay in touch. Don't make sure you are new on here. It's Cobra. Make sure you subscribe, like your comment here, share this video to anyone, even if they are in China or other parts of the world, because there are many people want to experience, want to know Chinese culture, or China during this summer period. All about China, there are people want to know this. So make sure to do that. Thank you. Okay, but wait, my video, I'm not finished to shoot it. So wait.你们每天在这吗？还是什么？每天懂吗？哇！那我想学太极拳怎么办？师傅，我想学。没有啊，不是啊，人家是上10年，就在这儿。啊，对呀。啊。有啊。嗯。当时可以啊，对吧？现在练习不晓得吧？对吧？OK， 拜拜，拜拜。师傅，慢走，慢走，慢走。Okay, I tried to ask Master, I want to join this team, but they say he don't teach me. Why? Because I'm foreigner, and then they said you are student, you finish, you graduate, and then you go back to your home, you go back to your country. So I don't teach you because this shadow box or Taijiquan is only for Chinese. It's only for Chinese people. Must be in China, you start in China, then you don't live in China. If I say to them, I don't live in China, also they must teach me. Also, Master said that you can join our team. But I say, oh, after 10 years, I can go back to my country. But they say, no, if you don't leave China, I teach you this game. I teach you this shadow boxing. But how? I want to leave China. If I finish my studies, I finish my work here in China, I want to leave China. But they said that if you want to start this shadow box, you must don't leave China. So make sure you enjoy this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Cobra Media TV. Make sure you share this video to another one. Make sure. This is Cobra and the Cobra Media TV. Enjoy this video.